For our final question, given the diagram of a circle, the circle, and inside of it there is quadrilateral of the KLMN. Well, actually the quadrilateral consists of the two triangles, which is KLN and LMN. So the question is, first we have to find the length of the LN. Second, we have to find the angle of LNN. And finally, we have to find the area of the quadrilateral of the KLMN. So for the first part, we have to find the length of the LN. So LN, you can decide if you want to find the LN, whether use the triangle of the KNN or LMN. But if you want to find the LN, as I guess that you choose the triangle that has the most information, which is KNN. You have the two length and one angle. So two length and one angle, two length and one angle. I said that just now, if you have the two length and one angle, you can find the area of the triangle, but you can also find the length. You can apply the cosine rule. Why? Because from the cosine rule, we know that a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. So, two length and one angle, you can obtain the value of the a. Same goes to this question. You have the two length and one angle, you can find the length of the LN. So, from this, we will know that LN square is equal to 14 square plus 12.5 square minus 2, 14, 12.5 cos 35 degree. That is how you will apply the cosine rule, by extracting the information from the diagram. So when you calculate the LN square, you will obtain the value of 65.54. Goes to the right, you will square the 65.54 and you will obtain the value of LN 8.096 centimeter. When you find the value of the answer, of course, you have to label the answer, label the diagram, and n is equal to 8.096 centimeter. For the next question, we have to find the angle of the L and M. So, first we have to extract the information. You have to find the angle of the L and M, but there is but. The information that you get is only two length, LN and MN. Do we have an angle? No. But can we find? Yes. By if you learn it, if you learn in the previous school, we know that if you have the n, if you have a circle and you have a quadrilateral in it, we know it says that you have the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. You have to remember that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 100 degree. So that is the theorem if you have the quadrilateral inside the circle. So from this we know that we have the value of the 35 and opposite direction, and you will know the angle of the LMN angle LNM plus 35 is equal to 180. And you will take the value of LNM 180 minus 35 and you will get the 145 degree. So that is how you know the angle of the LNM, 145 degree. But the question said that you have to find the angle of the LMN. So by extracting the information that we have obtained, you already have the two length and one angle. So from this 145, the opposite direction is the LN. So we can apply the sine rule. 8.4, sorry, my bad. 8.096 is over the sine 145 is equal to 5.6 over sine 5.6. The opposite direction is the MLN angle MLN. Solve the equation and you will get the value of the 23.37 degree. But the question asks, you have to find the N and M. Remember the theorem of the triangle? The theorem of the triangle, the total of the triangle is 180 degree. So you already have two angles and you want to find the another angle. So what I can say that is that 180 is equal to 23.337 degree plus 145 degree plus angle N and M. And you will obtain the value of N and M is equal to 11.63 degree. So that's how we find the angle of L and M. We are extracting the information, we are applying a lot of the theorem of the circle, the theorem of the triangle. So the angle of the L and M is 11.63 degree. For the last question, you want to find the area of the quadrilateral of the KLMN. So how will we find the area of the quadrilateral of the KLMN? The last question. See. So, as you know, you want to find the area of the quadrilateral K and MN. You will total up the area of the triangle, which is triangle KLN plus triangle LNN. Remember the previous what I said just now. You want to find the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 AB sine C. So remember, two length and one angle. The area of the K and N is equal to 1/2 14.5 sine 35 plus the area of the triangle LMN. You can see that plus 1/2 8.096 0.6. Two length and one angle between them, which is angle of L and M. The angle of L and M is 11.63 degree. So total up the value of them and you will get 54.76 centimeters square. Remember, the area of the SI unit of the area, you will have to always remember that you have the square in it. So that's all for me. Amiruddin Hazibi Razali for this for the solution of the triangle. Thank you.